Hey, Whit, what you doing? What you doing?
I'm working.
You're working? You don't look very productive. Hey, Whit, what's this?
Polo.
No, what's that?
Orange.
What's that?
Football.
What's that?
Basketball.
What's that?
Basketball.
What's that?
Ball.
What kind?
Soccer ball.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm cleaning.
You're what?
I'm working. I'm working. I'm working.
Are you cleaning?
The windows. I'm cleaning the windows.
Cleaning the windows?
What's that? Near.
Can you say hi?
No.
Can you say cheese?
No.
Say cheese.
Gee.
And can you smile? Bye.